Moving on to what's happening in court today. After years of legal battle, the Supreme Court has settled the ownership dispute over the Iskcon Bangalore temple property, ruling that it rightfully belongs to Iskcon Bangalore Registered Society. Now, the bench led by Justice Abhay and Justice Augustine Masih delivered the verdict, overturning the Karnataka High Court's earlier decision that declared Iskcon Mumbai as the rightful owner. NDTV's Nupur joins us with more details.
From now on, Iskcon Bengaluru Society will be independent from Iskcon Mumbai Society. Remember, both the branches currently have several Iskcon temples running across the country as well as the world. Now, there has been an infighting or sort of a identity crisis between both the factions, as one claims that they have been following, the Bengaluru has claimed that they have been following the original will of the founder guru, and the Mumbai branch has strayed away and they have now turned disciples into their guru, which was against the will of the original guru who had in fact founded this organization. Now, with effect from the Supreme Court judgment, not only the property dispute stands solved, but also now Iskcon Bengaluru will be recognized as an independent authority and their temples are now independent from Iskcon Mumbai's controls.
Now, let's quickly turn back to my colleague Malika, who will provide the background of the case. Malika, this case has been going on for over 20 years now. Give us the context. Why was there this conflict between Iskcon Bengaluru and Mumbai in the first place?
Yes, so basically, Sanjana, this is a conflict between two Iskcon groups, Mumbai and Bengaluru. And the fight is about who controls the Bengaluru temple. And the dispute is also on the lands of ownership and whether Bengaluru can run its own temple independently. The timeline of the case was a little simple. Basically, a lower court said Bengaluru has control, but in May 2011, basically May 23rd, 2011, Karnataka High Court disagreed and gave control to Mumbai. Then, the next month itself, on June 2nd, 2011, Bengaluru's group appealed to the Supreme Court asking for independence. Now, while the Iskcon Mumbai claims that Bengaluru's temple is just a branch under their authority, Bengaluru Iskcon is making a different claim. It says it's a separate independent organization with its own independent management. And therefore, today, the Supreme Court's decision is extremely substantial as it puts rest to this 20-year dispute between these two groups, giving Bengaluru its long called for independence with regards to its management and also functioning of the temple in Bengaluru.
Thanks, Malika, for that. And the Supreme Court finally settling this Iskcon dispute once and for all and saying it belongs to Bangalore.